Hello everyone, today we are going to do a question which would be related to the previous video in which we have understood the PL appropriation account. Here I have made an easy question for you just to make you understand how we have to make the account, the basic thing, the basic criteria, the basic norms for the question. Simple सा question है जो बस आपको एक आइडिया देगा कि आपको PL अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट कैसे बनाना है. द क्वेश्चन मैंने ही बनाया है क्वेश्चन, तो इसमें कुछ फॉर्मल वर्ड्स नहीं हैं, बहुत इनफॉर्मल से वर्ड्स हैं जो आपको सिर्फ ये बताएगा कि आपको क्वेश्चन करना कैसे है. सी ए एंड बी आर पार्टनर्स इन अ फर्म. उनका रेशियो, जिस रेशियो में वो प्रॉफिट शेयर करेंगे, इज़ 3:2 एंड द कैपिटल्स वर, ए की कैपिटल इज़ 30,000 and B's capital is 20,000. They will be entitled to interest on capital at 10% per annum. Salary of A is 4,000 rupees per quarter. B's salary is 2,000 per month. Commission of B is 10,000 rupees. Interest on drawing, they have straight away given you the interest on drawings. A's interest on drawing is 480 and for B it is 520. The net profit which the firm earned is 1,06,000. So if you want to make it a bit easier, write down the things already and then we'll write down the particulars, and afterwards we'll write down the amounts. So this is the PL appropriation account, debit side, and this is the credit side. These are the column for amounts. So first of all, the first thing which comes is interest on capital for A and for B. Then second what we can write is salary for A and for B, and next is B's commission. See, here the first thing which we will write is balance brought down, means the net profit from the profit and loss account by interest on drawings for both A and B. Now simple, we have to fill the amount. What is the interest on capital rate? It is 10%. If we calculate for A, what is A's capital? 10,000 into 30,000 into 10 by 100. That means it is 3,000 for A, and for B it is 20,000 ka 10%. See, through my teaching experience I can tell you that working notes are very important. If you make the working notes properly, you will never go wrong and you will get full marks. If the teacher is planning to cut even half a marks from your question, he or she will give you full marks. So first of all, we'll take out interest on capital. For A it is 3,000. You will write inside the column. For B it is 2,000. You add both of them and write 5 in the outer column. Salary for A is 4,000 per quarter. Quarter means 4. So 4,000 in 1 year, how many times A will get salary? 4 times. And for 1 quarter it is 4,000. For 4 quarters it will be 16,000. But for B it is 2,000 per month. So how many months in a year? 12. So the salary will be 24,000. So you will write here 40,000. Then commission for B is, it is given in the question, it is 10,000. Net profit was 1,06,000. All given in the question. What is the interest on capital for A? 480. For B it is 520. The total goes 1,000. Okay. So now what will you do? Now you will add all the debit parts, and to make it a bit easier, we'll make it 1,05,000, so that the calculation part goes easy from your side. So 1,05,000 is the net profit and 1,000 is the interest on drawings. So now what are you going to do it? Now what are we going to do? We are going to add. Sorry for the inconvenience, you will laugh. we'll make it 1,04,000. Why 4? So just to make you understand and make the calculations a bit easy. The board is not going to do it. The books which you are going to solve the question, they are not going to do it. But I am going to do it just to make it easy for you all. So please add all the debit sides and the credit. When you add the debit total, what will you get? Just add all the debit side. 5,000 and 50,000. It is 55,000. If you add on the credit side, what will you get? 1,05,000. So please subtract the bigger number from the smaller number. That is coming 55,000 minus, means 50,000 is the profit. If the amount is, the balance is coming this side. If the balance is this side, it is profit. If the balance is this side, it is loss. So you will write transfer to profit transferred to partners capital account. What is the profit that is transferred? Is 50,000. The profit that is transferred is 50,000. It will be transferred between A and B. In which ratio? How it would be measured? It would be divided in the ratio 3:2. Now how are we going to find out? Now please look here everyone. Now first A is to B. A is to B is how much? A is to B is 3:2. So you add first. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. So how much A will get? A will get 50,000 ka 3/5. You will convert ratios into, we have done this in class 6 or 7. Then B, how much it will get? 50,000 ka 2/5. Okay. So if you cancel it and you will get the answer 30,000. So 30,000 profit will be for A and 20,000 for B. 30,000 and 20,000 for B. Then you add and you write the total of the bigger side. Bigger side, both the totals will come same, and it will come to, when you will calculate, you will say both the totals will come same. 1,05,000, the total which was of the credit side, of the bigger side. But always remember that the total will always come same. Put the rupees sign here also, put commas. Please, if I am not putting commas, because I have got less time and less place to write, but you have to have a habit of putting commas, using rupees symbols, writing the working note properly. So again, see, interest on capital, then the salaries, then the commission, here the net profit. We change the net profit just to make the calculation easy for you all, and interest on drawings here. Then you find the difference between the credit and the debit side. The difference is coming this side, it means it is a profit, and if it is coming on the next side, it will be loss. So please go through the question and try to practice more questions for the same.